Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Razer Kraken V3 X headset to your PlayStation 5. It's a very simple process that involves just a few steps. First, locate the USB-A connector on your Kraken V3 X cable. Then, find an available USB port on your PlayStation 5 console. You can use either the front or rear USB ports for this connection. Make sure your PS5 is powered on and ready. Once your headset is plugged in, your PlayStation 5 should automatically detect it. You might see a notification pop up on your screen. To confirm and adjust settings, press the PlayStation button on your DualSense controller to open the control center. From there, select the sound icon. You'll then need to choose Headphones, USB headset, as your output device to ensure all game audio comes through your Kraken V3 X. Now, let's ensure your microphone is working correctly. Within the same sound menu on your PS5, navigate to the microphone section. Confirm that USB headset, Kraken V3 X, is chosen as your input device. You can also adjust the microphone level here to suit your preferences. For overall volume, use the convenient inline controls on your Kraken V3 X cable, or fine-tune it through the PS5 sound settings. If you encounter any issues, a simple troubleshooting step is to unplug the USB cable from your PS5 and then plug it back into a different USB port. Sometimes, this can resolve minor connection glitches. Also, always ensure your PlayStation 5 system software is up to date, as updates often improve compatibility with various accessories. Enjoy your immersive gaming experience with your Razer Kraken V3 X headset on your PS5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.